Hey y'all, Rachel here with Rachel's Unique Crafts. Today we're going to crochet a quick and easy little scarf. So this is one I've already created, already crocheted. They're fun, easy, and you can wear them a number of different ways. This one I love the colors in it. It's a fallish scarf, but it's so pretty. And look at this one. This one would be pretty for Valentine, for Christmas, all those holidays with red in it. So we're going to get started. So here's what the little bundle looks like from the store. Oh, it's going to clear. There we go. It's a sachet by Red Heart Boutique. These are very easy. So when you open your little bundle up there, it's got a wide yarn. And I've got this black so y'all can see it better. But it's kind of like a little chain up here at the top. And that top row of little loops is what we're going to work with. I don't know how to crochet except for like a little chain. So if I can do this, anybody can do this. But it's that top little area that we're going to focus on. So I'm going to go in and count my my little loops here. We're going to go in and count 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to go in on number 8 here at the top. And once we get in, we're going to put our needle through, and we're going to go through the next one, and just going to go under and catch each little loop. So there's 2, 3, 4, 5, get it going here, 6, and 7. So we started out with 8. We skipped 8, but we're going to, and you can skip 7, it doesn't matter. 7 or 8 is a good number. Then we're going to take it and pull that number 7 all the way back through to the very first. I'm probably not explaining this how a true crocheter would explain it. So I'm just showing y'all how I do it and how I make these. I had an elderly lady about 11 years ago show me how to do these. So we're going to once again go through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we're going to pull that number 7 back through. So we're just turning it and pulling it all the way back through. You're going to pull it. So we're going to do that all the way through. You'll kind of see that better. Okay. So we're taking it, and I don't skip any of the little loops. 4, 5, that's too little. 6 and 7. The first one I ever made took me almost 2 hours. And after I started getting the hang of it, I could whip one up in about 45 minutes. Okay, so see, it's got like a loop, then it's got like a little tiny hole there. I'm not counting these little tiny loops. It's only these little big loops. So see, there's two little pieces of thread together, close together. So we're just counting the big loops right here. So here we go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So being this is just repetitious, I'm going to go ahead and keep doing the same thing over and over again. And I'll probably speed up this video so that you don't have to sit here for the whole 45 minutes probably that it's going to take me to do this. But I'm just going to do the same thing over and over and over again. And then we'll slow down and come back and we're going to do the beginning of it, how we're going to tie that off, and how we're going to finish up at the very end. So we have this much left. I didn't want to have to just bore y'all with the repetitious of doing the same little loops for an hour and a half. So there's 2, 3, 4, and I'm going the wrong way than it was. Go. Okay, let's get this right. I've been going over the whole time. So pull it and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we're going to pull it back through all the little loops. We might get one more little loop out of this. Let's see. And 7. Then you're going to take it and pull, pull through all the little 7 loops backwards. Okay, so that's probably enough because we need to leave 7 or 8 on the end. I like to pull that last little loop out just a bit. And it's good if you have like a clothespin. You can clip it off. But if not, let's see. And you can unravel your whole roll, and it makes it easier. If you just go through it, pulling it out like that, and then it's not getting twisted while you're crocheting it. So we're going to go out a couple of inches, probably about 3 inches. And we're going to take it. And we're going to split it kind of. Let me cut this one little thing in the middle here. And we're going to turn it around, and we're going to push half of it through, because we're going to tie a knot, but we're going in our little loop here to tie it. So I'm putting half of it in that little loop, and then we're going to tie it in a knot. I'm just going to tie 3 times just to make sure it's not coming loose. And then we will trim it. Now, y'all may know a better way. That's just the way the little lady had showed me. And you're not going to be able to see it. Isn't that pretty? Okay, so now we need to go back to the beginning. And remember, because we left that. And I'm going to go in on that first little loop that we created. See, it's right there. So let's cut this. I'm going to say about 3 inches. And you don't have to split that, but you can. So I'm just going to take half on one side and half on the other side. We're going to go through that first little loop. If I can get it here. Just like so. And then tie it off. I'm going to do 3 little knots. You could probably do just 2, but so I know it's not going to come undone. That's tight. Then I'm going to trim. So when you get it done like this, you can take, it's hard to see the whole thing, but you just spin it. And you might can see the difference. See how this one's just kind of all over the place, and you'd be able to see that it was flat here. So if you take it and you just spin it, just gently, it's going to make those little curls just look like little ringlets all the way down. And then we're just twisting it. And after you've worn it a few times, you may even do this again, just to keep them looking all pretty. And then you have yourself a scarf, and you can wear it in so many different ways, and it looks so pretty. So I'm not a crocheter. I would love to know how to crochet all the things, but this little lady was up in her 80s, and I love the scarves. But I said, I don't know how to make them, and she's, I'll come show you. And she came by and spent about 15 minutes and showed me how, and I have made a ton of them. They're just so pretty, and they're really easy to make. So I hope y'all enjoyed this, and like the video, give me a thumbs up, share the video if you don't mind, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see y'all back in a crafting video next time. So thank y'all so much. Y'all have a blessed and a wonderful day, and I hope y'all enjoyed it. Until next time, bye-bye.